Hello, my dear students. Have a great day to all of you. Myself, Mrs. Kavita Kanade from LVH College, Panchoti, Nasik. This is our OCM's lecture. We already started chapter number 6, that is Social Responsibilities of Business. In this chapter, we learn about the meaning of social responsibilities, then the need of social responsibility, and the social responsibilities of business towards different interest groups, just like owners, investors, employees, consumers, government, and society or community. In last lectures, we already studied about the social responsibilities of business towards owners, then investors, then employees, then consumers. In this lecture, we will learn about the social responsibilities of business towards government. What is the meaning of social responsibilities towards government? The government regulates and controls the business with the objective of systematic economic development of the country and safeguarding the interest of the common man, just like us. That means we are the consumers and we are the common man for the business organization. And to safeguard our interest, government regulates and controls the business. Government provides incentives and subsidies to business. For what purpose? Because when government provides different types of incentives in the form of money or other benefits, subsidies to business, then automatically there is the growth in business organization. That's why government also plays an important role in the formation of the business or for the encouragement of the business. That's why business organization also have some responsibilities towards the government. Which are these responsibilities? First is timely payment of taxes. Timely payment of taxes. That means the government imposes various types of taxes like sales tax, income tax, wealth tax. Business units should pay these taxes from time to time. That means there should be the uh, business business units should be responsible to pay all these taxes on timely basis. It would be difficult for the government to undertake development projects without availability of the funds. That's why it is important to pay the taxes on the timely basis. Tax is the primary source of income to the government. That's why it is so much important to pay the taxes on timely basis to the government, and it is the responsibility, it is the duty of every business organization. Government imposes various taxes such as sales tax, income tax, and wealth tax. All these taxes, GST, all these taxes should be paid by the business units on a timely basis, because when government earn income from these taxes, then government should undertake different development projects. That's why it is so much important to pay all the taxes on timely basis. Then second is observing rules and regulations. The rules framed by the government for business should be fully complied with. That means the rules framed by the government for the business purpose. Different types of rules and regulations are there, just like for different types of business organization. We learn about it in the 11th standard. There are different forms of business organization: sole trading, then partnership, then joint stock company, cooperative society. All these are the different types of or different forms of business units. That's why it is that's why there is the duty duty of any business organization to follow all the rules and regulation framed by the government. The business should follow the laws regarding obtaining license for a specific business, the operation of the business, then price determination and production, etc. They should conduct business in lawful manner. So it is the responsibility of business to follow rules and regulations made by the government. For example, laws related to business operations, obtaining license. There is for different types of organization such as a cooperative society, joint stock companies, or a partnership business. There are different types of laws or acts prepared by the government. Partnership Act 1932 or Cooperative Society Act. Different types of laws are made by the government for different types of organization, and it is the duty of any type of organization to follow all the rules and regulations made by the government. Then third is earning foreign exchange. Earn foreign exchange through exports. How to earn foreign exchange? When we export the goods in the foreign country, then automatically we get foreign currency. That's why it is important to get foreign exchange through exports. Government gives encouragement to the different types of organizations. To government also gives the freedom to sell the goods to the foreign countries to earn maximum foreign currencies. That's why the government also expects from business organization that it will earn foreign exchange by exporting goods. The government requires this foreign exchange for importing various goods, valuable and important products. So it is the responsibility of business organization to export their products to earn maximum foreign exchange or maximum foreign currency for the development of our nation. Then fourth is economic development. Fourth is economic development. The government sets the target for economic development. Government provide necessary cooperation to the that's why it is the duty or responsibility of any business organization to provide necessary cooperation to the government. The government sets target for balanced and rapid growth of the economic development of the country. The organization should provide necessary cooperation to the government for achieving all these targets of the economic development. Then, fifth is implementing socio-economic policies. The government expects cooperation and helps from the business sector in implementing socio-economic programs and policies. That means for implementing socio-economic policies, government required funds, and these funds are this finance is come from the different types of business organization. That's why it is the responsibility of business organization to help the government to implement different social economic policies. Then, sixth is suggestion to the government. The business organization can provide suggestions to the government before framing government policies such as industrial policy, import export policy, licensing policy. Such suggestions are helpful for framing organization friendly policies. Such suggestions are helpful for framing organization friendly policies. That's my because there is the contribution or suggestions from are given from the business organization. That's why there is a mutual understanding between the government and the business organization. When there is a mutual understanding, then it is the good to both the parties to follow the rules and regulations and to frame the policies. Then, seventh is no favors. Should not take any favor from the government officials. No favors. The organization should not take any favor from the government officials by bribing or influencing them. It should be according to the rules. That means um, uh, all the operations or all the business activities are as per the government rules. There is no favor taken by the government officials by bribing or influencing them. Bribing means taking money to do any work. That means when officers take money to do any work from business organization, then it is called as a bribing. It is illegal activity. That's why it should be avoided by the business organization. Then it is contributing to government treasury. The commercial organization must contribute the funds to government during the emergencies and natural calamities like floods, earthquakes, cyclones, etc. That means the commercial organization must contribute the funds. They have the responsibility or they have duty to give some fund to the government during some emergencies happen or some natural calamities are there. Then it is the duty or responsibility of the business organization to give some financial aid to the government to support the government by financing them. Business organization should give financial aid to the government to overcome from such calamities. Nowadays we are facing from corona virus, and many of the top business industries did help to the government to contribute to government treasury by giving the financial help, just like a Tata Industries give financial support to the government. And because of the financial support of this business, government can do or government is overcome. That means government can be come from this situation or overcome from such calamities by taking the help of this business organization. All these are the responsibilities of the business towards the government. That is, first is timely payment of taxes, then observing rules and regulations. Not just observe but also follow all the rules and regulations given by the government. Then earning foreign exchange. Then, fourth is economic development, implementing socio-economic policies. Sixth is suggestion to the government. Seventh is no favors. And eighth is contributing to government treasuries. Contributing to government treasury. It is also an important role of the business organization. Thank you for listening me carefully.